Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Instagram is up to date. This avoids missing theme options. Once updated, open the app and tap your profile at the bottom right. From there, tap the three-line menu, then Settings. If you see theme or dark mode options under Settings or Account, that's where you'll switch. If not, proceed to System Settings next. Make sure to follow each tap slowly so the app registers your navigation and shows the correct menu items. If Instagram exposes a theme option, tap Theme and choose Light. That immediately flips the app. Once done, confirm by navigating feeds and profile to see white backgrounds. If the theme option is absent, Instagram follows your device preferences, so open your phone's display or appearance settings. On iOS, set appearance to light. On Android, disable dark theme or set device theme to light. After changing system settings, return to Instagram, and the app should reflect the light appearance. To finish, relaunch Instagram so the theme change takes hold. Sometimes the app needs a restart to redraw the UI. If it still shows dark, clear the app cache on Android or reinstall on iOS/Android to reset stored settings. Make sure battery saver or scheduled dark mode isn't forcing dark appearance. Disable schedules or set them to off. If problems persist, sign out and back in. That forces a fresh settings sync and usually resolves lingering theme mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.